Welcome back to Gearhead Reviews, your go-to place for in-depth looks at the latest vehicles that are shaping the automotive world. Whether you're a weekend warrior, daily commuter, or full-time car enthusiast, we've got you covered with honest insights, no fluff, and a passion for precision. Today, we're diving into a true American icon, one that's been the best-selling truck for decades and just keeps getting better. This is the 2025 Ford F-Series, and it's more than just a pickup, it's a legacy on wheels. The Ford F-Series is more than just a nameplate. It's a statement of durability, strength, and innovation. For 2025, Ford has taken what was already a powerhouse and refined it even further. It's not a complete overhaul, but the updates feel meaningful, modern, and aligned with what truck buyers are asking for today. The balance between rugged toughness and daily comfort has been struck with a level of precision that shows Ford is listening to its audience. Let's start with the design. The 2025 F-Series keeps its bold, squared-off stance that makes it instantly recognizable from a distance. But look closer, and you'll spot changes that elevate its character. The front grille has been reworked with a more aggressive pattern, and depending on the trim, it's flanked by either chrome, blacked-out accents, or body-colored finishes. The LED headlights are now slimmer and more high-tech looking, with a signature lighting pattern that gives the truck a modern and almost futuristic appeal. The hood lines are deeper, more muscular, reinforcing the truck's strong visual identity. Around back, the tailgate features a more integrated design with improved step access and power open and close options on higher trims. Step inside, and the 2025 F-Series surprises even further. Ford has taken cabin comfort to a whole new level, especially in the higher trims like the Lariat, King Ranch, Platinum, and Limited. Materials are top-notch, with soft-touch surfaces, real wood or aluminum trim, and detailed stitching that wouldn't look out of place in a luxury SUV. The updated 12-inch digital gauge cluster now comes standard on many trims, and it's fully customizable, offering real-time towing info, off-road metrics, and navigation integration. There's also an available 15.5-inch portrait-oriented touchscreen running the latest version of Ford's Sync system. It's quick, intuitive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. One of the most impressive updates for 2025 is the tech integration. Ford has added new connected services and over-the-air update capabilities, meaning your F-Series will continue to improve even after you drive it off the lot. Whether it's new features, bug fixes, or performance improvements, your truck stays current without ever visiting a dealership. There's also the updated Pro Power onboard system, which turns your truck into a mobile generator, offering up to 7.2 kilowatts of power, perfect for job sites, tailgates, or even powering your house during a blackout. But let's talk about performance, because this is where the F-Series has always delivered, and 2025 is no exception. Ford continues to offer a wide range of engine options to suit different needs. There's the tried-and-true 3.3L V6 for entry-level models, a 2.7L EcoBoost V6 for a blend of efficiency and torque, and the popular 5.0L V8 for those who want classic muscle. The 3.5L EcoBoost V6 remains a top choice for towing, offering excellent torque and responsiveness. For diesel fans, the Powerstroke 3.0L V6 has been fine-tuned for even better low-end grunt and fuel economy. One of the most talked-about engines, though, is the PowerBoost Hybrid. Combining the 3.5L EcoBoost with an electric motor, it offers an outstanding mix of power, efficiency, and utility. You get up to 430 horsepower and 570 pound-feet of torque, with fuel economy that beats many smaller vehicles. Plus, the hybrid powertrain enhances the Pro Power onboard capability, making it the ideal choice for people who work on the go or camp off-grid. All of the engines are paired with Ford's 10-speed automatic transmission, which continues to impress with smooth shifts, quick downshifts for overtaking, and better fuel efficiency. The transmission is smart, adapting to your driving style and road conditions to deliver power exactly when and where you need it. Towing and payload are always major considerations in this segment, and the 2025 F-Series doesn't disappoint. Depending on configuration, it can tow up to 14,000 pounds and haul over 3,300 pounds of payload. That's top-tier capability, and Ford has made it easier than ever to manage with their latest towing tech. The onboard trailer brake controller, smart trailer tow connector, trailer reverse guidance, and Pro Trailer Backup Assist make maneuvering with a trailer far less stressful. There's even a new smart hitch system that helps you distribute weight properly and warns you if the load is too heavy. Ford hasn't just focused on power and tech, though. They've taken serious strides in making the F-Series safer and more intelligent. Standard safety features now include automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring with trailer coverage, lane keeping assist, and rear cross traffic alert. Step up to higher trims or add a package, and you get Blue Cruise, Ford's hands-free driving system. It's not just adaptive cruise control, it allows for true hands-free driving on mapped highways, with built-in sensors to make sure you're still paying attention. It's a glimpse into the future, available today. Ride quality is another area where the F-Series has matured. The 2025 model feels planted and composed, even on rough roads. The frame is stiffer than before, reducing flex and making the whole truck feel more solid. Depending on the trim, you can get adaptive dampers that adjust in real time to changing conditions, giving you either a cushy ride or tighter control when towing or hauling. Even without those, though, the ride is quiet, comfortable, and surprisingly refined for a full-size truck. Fuel efficiency varies depending on engine choice, of course. The hybrid is the most efficient, offering around 25 mpg combined, which is impressive for a truck this size. The 2.7L EcoBoost also performs well in the efficiency department, while the V8 and diesel options are more about raw power than saving at the pump. Still, Ford has done a good job managing consumption across the board. Let's talk about trims and customization, because this is where the F-Series really shines. There's a configuration for almost every kind of buyer. The base XL is a solid work truck, basic but durable and functional. The XLT adds more comfort and convenience features, making it a good all-rounder. Then there's the Lariat, which starts to feel premium with leather seating, upgraded tech, and more driver assists. King Ranch brings the Texas-style luxury with Western-themed interiors, while the Platinum adds modern elegance and cutting-edge tech. The Limited is the top of the line, almost luxury car level in terms of materials, features, and design. And if you're into off-roading, the Tremor and Raptor variants are where things get wild. The Tremor offers lifted suspension, skid plates, off-road tires, and a locking rear differential, great for weekend adventurers. But the Raptor is a whole different beast. With its high-output 3.5L EcoBoost engine, long travel suspension, Fox shocks, and aggressive styling, it's built for high-speed desert running and serious off-road action. And let's not forget the upcoming Raptor R, which will house a supercharged V8 under the hood, making it one of the most powerful trucks on the market. Inside the cab, Ford has also considered practicality. The rear seats flip up to reveal storage bins. There's an available fold-flat work surface that turns the center console into a mini desk, perfect for contractors or mobile workers. You can also get max reclined seats in the front that lay almost completely flat, ideal for resting on long trips or between job site stops. USB ports, power outlets, wireless charging, and even an interior workspace make this truck as useful inside as it is outside. Sound quality has been upgraded too. You can opt for a Bang & Olufsen sound system with up to 18 speakers, offering crisp, clear audio that fills the cabin with immersive sound whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or taking calls. And for those who care about sustainability, the F-Series is getting greener. Ford is increasing the use of recycled materials in the interior and offering more efficient powertrain options. The company has also committed to reducing emissions across its production process, and many of the F-Series trucks are now assembled in facilities powered by renewable energy. It's a step in the right direction for a brand that understands the need to evolve without compromising its core values. So, who is the 2025 Ford F-Series for? The answer is, almost everyone. Whether you need a basic workhorse, a refined daily driver, an off-road monster, or a luxury truck with all the bells and whistles, there's a version of the F-Series for you. It's incredibly versatile, offering more choices and more capability than just about any other truck on the market. Of course, it's not perfect. Pricing can get steep, especially when you move into higher trims or add options. Some users may prefer a more analog experience instead of all the tech. And if you're used to smaller vehicles, the sheer size of the F-Series can take some getting used to, especially in tight parking situations. But these are minor gripes in the grand scheme of what this truck delivers. At the end of the day, the 2025 Ford F-Series continues to set the benchmark for full-size pickups. It's bold, capable, comfortable, and smart. Ford has shown that evolution, not revolution, can be just as exciting when done right. It's a truck that respects its past while driving boldly into the future. And for truck buyers, whether for work, play, or anything in between, that's exactly what you want. Thanks for watching Gearhead Reviews. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Ford F-Series, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more no-nonsense automotive reviews. Got a question or a vehicle you want us to cover next? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, keep your wheels spinning and your engines roaring.